Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. I'm Reza, founder of the optimizationcity.com. In this film, we are talking about the simplex method with the bounded variable. Let's get started.
The simplex method with the bounded variable is used in the linear programming model where decision variable have upper bound or lower bound, where uj and lj represent the lower and upper limit of the variable respectively. The treating bounded variable in the same way as the other constraint can be time consuming because the number of the constraint has a significant impact on the computation time. Experience has shown that the computation time increased almost by a third power of the number of constraints. Thus, a more efficient method is required for solving such problem. The method for solving the problem with the variable having a lower or upper bound will be discussed in the document in the website. You can visit our website and learn how we can solve the simplex method with the bounded variable. Thank you so much for watching me. If you are any question and need any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us by email or by form by filling the contact form in our website, which is www.optimizationcity.com. Thank you so much and goodbye for now.